Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Kling has just introduced Kling Omni 1, also known as Kling O1, the newest AI model from Kling AI. Think of it as the nano banana of video creation, powerful and capable of doing almost everything you need for AI-generated visuals. This model doesn't just generate images and videos from prompts, it can also transform any existing video by changing the background, adjusting lighting, adding or removing objects, and even combining multiple images into a brand new video sequence. With Kling O1, you can create videos from multiple angles or swap out objects with ease. So let me walk you through how this world-first unified multimodal model works and how you can start using it for your creative projects. Let's dive in. So start by searching Kling AI on Google and opening the first website. So inside, you'll see multiple AI tools, but the one we need is Kling O1. So located at the left side of the page. So click on it right here. Once you tap on it, you'll see an interface explaining everything the model can do. So relighting videos, reframing shots, object removal and addition, background changes, scene extension, and more. So inside Kling O1, you have four modes. You have elements. In elements, you can upload up to 7 images. Transformation. In transformation, you can upload a 3 to 10 seconds video and input text, images, or elements to transform the original video with modification, restyling, changing angle, etc. Then you have video reference and frames. In frames, you can upload a first frame and a last frame, and Kling will generate a video that transitions between them. So, for example, after selecting a first frame and last frame, you can give a simple prompt, nothing complicated. I just type in a man stands up, dusts off his jacket, and walks away from the camera. Then I set the duration to 5 seconds. After hitting generate, Kling produces a high resolution, realistic video instantly, and you can download it directly. Now, when you upload multiple images, you can reference them inside your prompt. So I have uploaded all these images right here, then wrote a full prompt describing how I wanted them arranged. So duration can range from 3 to 10 seconds, and you can choose any aspect ratio before generating. Kling then combines all the images and outputs a clean, coherent final video. The results are extremely impressive. You can also adjust the lighting, mood, objects, and more. So, for example, I replace the item I'm holding with a coffee mug and place a cat sitting behind me and hit generate. So, Kling generated a completely transformed video with accurate edits, just like that. Next, you can remove or add specific elements within a video. For example, I uploaded a video of 2 kids and a dog. So in the prompt, I wrote, in video 1, remove both kids and show only the dog. Then Kling removed the children perfectly. I also reversed the instruction, remove the dog and keep the kids. And again, the result was flawless. Whatever you type is exactly what happens. If you want to change the lighting, atmosphere, or environment of a video, Kling O1 can do that too. So I tested it on the same dog video: snow theme, desert, cinematic, and horror. So each output looked like a completely different environment while keeping the original subject intact. I also tested the Thanos hand example, adding an image of Thanos' hand and giving a short prompt. Again, the output was extremely accurate. You can even create your own VFX short film. So just upload your main video along with supporting images, then describe what you want, like the background change, object replacement, environment change, scene effects, then select the duration, aspect ratio. The results look like a custom VFX edit created in seconds. So that's a full look at what Kling O1 can do, from background replacement, object removal, relighting, all the way to generating complete VFX style scenes. It's honestly one of the most advanced and accessible video AI tools available right now. So what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Making professional videos used to mean big budgets and endless editing. Introducing Vidatia, the breakthrough AI video creator that does it all in minutes. From long form YouTube videos to attention grabbing TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even ads, Vidatia crafts high quality content in any style like cartoons, 3D illustrations, or even faceless narration, all without having you to pick up a camera. Just enter your idea, choose a look, and let Vidatia handle the rest. Vidatia gives you direct access to AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok, ensuring your videos always stand out. No crew, no editing, no waiting. Get results in seconds, perfect for every platform. So what are you waiting for? Get Vidatia now. Just go to getvidatia.in.